Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Time Machine. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is General Skills. The task is to find the flag by using Git. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here we have the challenge, Time Machine. What was I last working on? I remember writing a note to help me remember. You can download the challenge files here. And then we have a zip file, so let's copy the link address and head over to the terminal. And let's use vgit. There we have the zip file, so let's unpack it. Everything is extracted into a folder named drop-in. So let's go into that one. And as we can see, we also have a lot of Git data. So here we just have a file called message. So let's see what's in that one. This is what I was working on, but I need to look at my commit history to know why. Sure, so let's use git log. That's the command to view the Git history and commit history as well. And here we see that we have found a flag. So let's copy that one and head back here and try and submit it. Hooray, we solved the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.